In this video we will learn how to make an excavation. First of all, we must define the points of our building plot. We can do this either by giving single points or by importing points from a tachymeter file. After importing them, we make the building plot definition through its sides. Using the command rectangular coordinates, we can calculate a plot area and display the results in the plan. Then we can determine the 3D plot excavation based on a polyline and the plot height. By using the layer management dialog, we can filter any layers of the drawing. To make the excavation, first we define the outline of the excavation through a closed polyline. Then we select the 3D building plot outline of the excavations and we give the elevation of the building plot. In the command line we can see the results of the excavation, such as the excavation volume and the filling volume. After that we are ready to draw our building. We can insert 3D objects from the library. By pressing Shift and right-click, we can select the appropriate snap in order to place the selected objects. Let's draw a slab. We draw a polyline to define the outline of the slab.